Okay, so my barbecue grill Smith. I got a couple of barbecue sauces to use up. I don't know if 2 is enough for the whole month. Might have to buy 2 more. One tends to go kind of quickly, but 1 bag of charcoal should last me the whole month. I put some of the bigger charcoal pieces on the bottom and the charcoal wood on top. Use the other wood charcoal, I cannot light it. I don't have the chimney starter, so I'll look into it. If it costs more than 20 bucks, I'm not going to get it, not this year. Thanks for watching my barbecue hamburger day, beginning of the month. So I don't have any more barbecue sauce for this month. So I bought only 1 bottle. It's already going out the plane, but hopefully the heat will cook it through. Kind of windy today. I don't have like a divider to break off the wind, but I don't know how you're supposed to cook if it's windy, but hopefully the heat will cook it through. Ooh, that's coming through. Oh, it is cooking, though it's a windy day. Oh. Might have to relight it, but hopefully the heat will cook it through. I'll keep eye out on trash day for a short table or something, a little bit longer table than this maybe, so I could put more food and the whatever I need on it. Okay, this one's a little bit too short, but it's a good height. Now I need to make a handle for here because it was broken, so I need to find another handle this long, probably from a dresser or something. Other than that, I think it was a good buy. Close to 40 bucks on this one, and I'll try to buy the chimney starter too. So. Thanks for watching. First cook on a windy day.